$250 years ago they signed their names, put everything at risk for freedom's sacred flame. They pledged their lives, their fortunes, and their honor too. Under God they built a nation strong and true. From 13 colonies a beacon rose to shine, a land where liberty and faith would intertwine. 250 years we stand, one nation under God's command. Though we face trials in these days, we trust in you and lift our praise. 250 years of grace, Lord help us fight for this sacred place. God bless America once more, guide us like you've done before.